Hello everyone and welcome to my very last travel vlog. So today is day 22 and 23 and I started off my day doing a little bit of makeup and then I went to the mall to get some lunch and then popped past a bookstore.
Hey guys, I'm back in the apartment. I bought a new book and got some curry udon. And now I'm here eating some fruit again. So I just did a little bit more of my journal. And also just wanted to show, this is the book I bought today. It's called How to Change Your Mind. And it's about psychedelics. So, yeah. Hey guys. So now I am walking to get some drinks before dinner.
Unfortunately, I didn't film much on day 22 and I'm very annoyed that I didn't because it was the last day, but these were the drinks that we had and I don't really remember what I did for much of the rest of this day, but I was so tired I just went to bed after dinner.
Hey guys, I slept in my makeup. Anyway, I am back in my apartment and I'm eating some yogurt and then I'm gonna shower and finish packing my last bits and then I have to check out. Okay, out of the shower, everything's packed. I'm just chilling out in the air conditioning for a little bit longer before I go outside into the deathly heat. Okay, so I'm checked out and I came to see Ho Chi Minh's statue, but it is literally so insanely hot. I can barely open my eyes. I can't see my phone. My phone's having an actual spasm. It's way too hot. It's like 34 degrees right now and it's supposed to get to 37. So I'm gonna spend the day at the mall because this is god awful.
So for my final day in Ho Chi Minh, I had a little custard filled bread roll thing and I got some tempura, prawn and vegetables on rice, and then we got coffees from McDonald's and then went to the gym, and then we got some little snacks, yogurt and banana, and then we got ready to leave pretty much. We just walked around a bunch, you know, enjoyed the last moments, went and got some dinner as well before we left, and then this is us in our Grab to the airport, and this is us at the airport. It took so long to get on the plane, but we finally made it, and then this is me on the plane reading my book, and that was it. Then we arrived back in Melbourne, and that is the end of my travel vlogs.
Hey guys, it's me home now. I just wanted to put a little thing at the end of this video saying if you have watched all of them or any of my vlogs, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed them. I can't wait to travel again, and yeah, I can't wait to film and upload new videos. So I will see you guys in those videos. Bye!